In this video, we will see how to convert AVI to MP4 without losing quality. The first pass is go to the search this in Google. And next we have two methods. The first is remixing, lossless format change. This is the best for preserving original quality, but only works if the AVI's existing video audio codecs like H.264, AAC are compatible with the MP4 container. Step 1. Use AVI Demux or MKV toolnix. Open your AVI file in AVI Demux. Select Copy for Video Audio Codec. Choose MP4 Muxer as the output format, node encoder, and save. Method 2. Re-encoding perceptually lossless. Use this is remixing, doesn't work, or if you need a smaller file size, we need high fidelity. Step 1. Handbrake. Recommend software. Open source. Load your AVI file, format, select MP4, video tab, choose H.264 or H.265 for better compression, set quality to constant quality, CRF, and lower the value, for example, 22 or 18. For higher quality, or set to same as source if available. And start encode, to query and start conversion. Step 2. FFmpeg command line. For example, this page, or for example, this page, for high quality encode. Quick online converter for small files or quick conversions. Online tools like Adobe Express, FireCover, or CloudCover work. For example, here, click and you will upload your video here. Wait for 1-2 minutes and write. And well, that's all. If you liked the video, and especially if it helped you, please leave a like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Until next time!